Hello students, now let's continue with last topic. We are studying a few cipher models. Now let us start with Hill cipher. This cipher is based on linear algebra. I repeat, this cipher is based on linear algebra. Each letter is represented by numbers from 0 to 25 and calculations are done modulo 26. This encryption algorithm takes m successive plaintext letters and substitutes them with m ciphertext letters. The substitution is determined by m linear equation. For m is equal to 3, the system can be described as per our PPT. The equation is C1 is equal to under bracket K11 P1 plus K12 P2 plus K13 P3 bracket closed mod 26. Same equation, linear equation for C2 and C3. This can be also expressed in terms of row vectors and matrix, where C and P are row vectors of length 3 representing the plaintext and ciphertext. K is a 3 into 3 matrix representing the encryption key. Encryption and decryption can be given by the formula encryption C is equal to PK mod 26 and decryption P is equal to CK minus 1 mod 26. Now in classical cryptography, the Hill cipher is a substitution cipher based on linear algebra. This is repeat. To encrypt a message, each block of n letters is multiplied by n invertible n into n matrix, then modulo 26. To decrypt the message, each block is multiplied by the inverse of matrix used for encryption. Few examples here you see alphabets and numbers. Hill cipher the type of polygraphic substitution. They use a matrix, linear algebra operations, encrypt and decrypt message. Encryptions a message with a Hill cipher start by assigning each letter in the alphabet a unique number between 0 and 25. Letter to letter substitution, you already seen. In order to encrypt the message hello world, you simply replace each letter with the corresponding letter below it to get the message. And n matrix is chosen to encrypt a message. These n multiplied by n matrix need to have certain properties for an encrypted message to be able to be decrypted. The strength of the Hill cipher is that it completely hides single letter frequencies. I repeat, the strength of the Hill cipher is that it completely hides single letter frequencies. Then encryption matrix has been chosen. The message to be decrypted need to be broken into n multiplied by 1 vector. To encrypt Hill cipher using matrix A, break it into 2 multiplied by 1 vectors. This is examples. To get the encrypted message, you should be able to use table to change the encrypted message from number back to letters. But there is one more step. If you look at the first encrypted vector, the bracket 23 and 53, bracket close, the first number 23 can be changed to x using table, but there is no entry in table for 53. In order to use table, you need to number between 0 to 25. If you take the modules 26 or 53, you will be get 1, which is between 0 and 25 and can be translated to be using table. Same examples. This is equation we are already discussed. It's also called the permutations. This hides the message later in orders and shuffle the plain text. This without altering the actual letter use. Example, columnar transposition cipher and reference technique. They both are example of permutation cipher. A transposition cipher does not substitute one symbol for another. Instead, it changes the location of symbol. Not a transposition cipher reorders symbols. Is used for reorder symbols. The plain text. Here we see in the columnar transposition ciphers. Plain text is written row by row in a rectangle. Ciphertext, write out the column in an order specified by a key. Here we see the example, key are 342156, and plain text and ciphertext you already seen, the motor on or CMRT HMAO OOFA. Come home to tomorrow after noon. This is a sentence you already seen in rectangle. Use a sequence of substitution and transpositions are in two ways. Two substitutions make a more complex, two transposition make a more complex transposition, but substitution followed by a transposition make a new much harder cipher, harder to break than a just a substitution and transposition. This is a bridge from classical to modern cipher. This is example.